Welcome back to this course, Introduction to the Kotlin Programming Language, a presentation of coding boot camps. This is session 2, our first Kotlin program. So we're ready to begin to write our first Kotlin application. So here we have our development environment, IntelliJ. So what we'll do is we'll go up here to the File menu, click here, say New Project, and we're going to make it a Kotlin project, and we can go ahead with this JVM, that's fine. Click Next here, and we have to give it a name and a location. So here we will actually call this, we'll create a new folder for it. Kotlin Session 1 Proj, short for project. Navigate in. And we'll just call this one, we'll put a 1 after that because it's our first one, and click Finish. And we'll say in this window. Okay, so here we are. So let's expand this, and notice here you can see the source folder. So the source folder is here, very similar to a Java project. First thing we're going to do is create a package. So Kotlin has the concept of the package, so we'll right click on our source folder, say New, and navigate to Package, and I'll just put our package name is going to be hello_world, and we'll click OK. And here we have our package, and now we want to create a new Kotlin file. So we'll right click on our package, and we'll say New, and we'll say Kotlin file or class, and we've got to give it a name. We'll name the file hello.kt. It's a very friendly application. Click OK. And you can see that now our class or our file opens up here in the editor. And what we'll do is we will paste our code into the editor. I've already written it, and I'm sure you don't want to watch me write it. So here you can see our function and our main function, and what we're going to do is print the line hello world. You can see the curly braces here and the package reference. So we'll go to File, Save, and let's run this. So we'll go up here to Run, or we can click this Run button here, or we can right click here and run the file. So let's go ahead and run. And it's going to build. You can see the build running down here. Might take a, and here we go. So we can see here the output right here. And you can also run using this run button. If we want to clear the console, we can click on this icon here that looks like a bin, a trash bin. You can click that, and we can also run again, and it will run the application again. So please take a look at your source code, and please go ahead and key in this application, and just to get the practice of actually working with the syntax. Thanks again for watching this session. Our next session, we will take a look at some types in Kotlin.